Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is October 13th, 2020. I'm getting ready to update my SQLite database. It contains all of my COVID-19 data. As you probably know, I have three primary sources. That's the New York Times, European Center for Disease Prevention and Control, and the Johns Hopkins University. Maybe plus a couple little extras. We'll see what happens. Okay. First of all, let's go here. Let's download some data. And make sure it is up for today. Good. Okay. Good. And let's go ahead and download the data from the Washington University Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation. This is actually a little larger download. It's actually about 100 megabytes, interesting enough. So while we're sitting waiting for that to come down, let's just come back over here. First of all, let's get rid of all our data down in here. Okay. Then let's come back over here, open up this. Okay, so that worked. There we go. Let's come back over. Let's move our data. Let's go ahead and move our data back over to who's first. Let's move Johns Hopkins data over to our data directory. Put that data in here. Then let's come back over here to New York Times data. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Matter of fact, let's get rid of all this. And let's do this also. Just take this up here. Open this up. Let's remove the J month year columns. Then let's use the country ID. And this one over here. Let's change this to population. Population. Let's just change this to country. Let's change this to reported. Save as down here. Save it as CVS. That takes care of that part there. Now let's come back over here and just it was the 9th of Saturday or something like that. 9th was, okay, good. Okay, so we don't need that. What we do need to do, of course, is uh, let's see something. Let's see. Maybe it's. Let's guess what it is. It actually doesn't have a space. So let's try this again. Okay, that was wrong there. So let's put the. Oh yes, it does have data in it. Okay, it gives me a better judgment. I'm going to go ahead and open up RStudio and use that to import the data so I can see maybe a little bit, see the better, see what's going on a little bit. Let's just see how this works. Whenever you see like a replacement has 0 rows, that normally means is a good place to look for that is a good place to look for that is actually in the field names because I didn't change the field name here. Okay, to report it. Okay, so this should run all the way from the top. Okay, so as you can see, this updates our first database. This updates the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control and New York Times. Now I got to update the John Hopkins data set. I'm going to examine it to make sure it's okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this here then. Okay, so this is 1012, so that's right. 1013, 1012. Okay, so all that looks okay. Let's come over here. Come back over to the database directory. Delete that. Okay, so just go ahead now. Pop up GitHub. And let's upload the latest database to the GitHub. And this will just take a minute, then we'll get on to the rest of the reports. Okay, I won't let you sit and watch this because nothing's exciting going to happen with the data set again. So let's just go ahead and finish this video up and get on to our first daily report.